This DC power supply is allowed to provide programmed power supply. In your case, two functions you will be used with this DC power supply based on the inquiry of your system. First is the constant voltage supply. How to use the constant voltage supply? You click the power button. Then the system will be start to turn on. At this moment, the system finishes auto checking and the fan stop work. Don't worry, because this fan is temperature detected cooling fan, so it will only work when the temperature is high. Then you can click voltage to send the voltage. This you can send in any value, use the number, or you can use the rotator. By number, you click 9, for example. You click enter to confirm your setting. Now you will output 9V based on your setting. Then you go to current setting. Then the current sparkle will be start. But at this moment, if your working mode is a constant voltage, you can send the current to maximum value. In this case, you can set it as 2. Then you click enter to confirm the setting. Then you click OVP. OVP is out voltage protection. In our case, we can send it into 120. Follow our maximum value of the power supply. And then we send the OCP output current protection. And we can send it into 2 ampere. At this moment, you can turn on the protection. If any value is out the setting value, it will be stopped to protect your DC power supply. At this moment, you click on button to output a constant voltage. Follow your setting. Your setting is 9 and your output value is also 9. If you have system being collected, the current and the total power will be displayed as in here. Another function is the program voltage output. To use this function, first you need to send the program into the DC power supply. You click the menu button to select the parameter that you're going to send. In our case, we will use constant voltage output, so the most important value is the voltage. So we need to click menu until the sparkle is come to the voltage. Then you can send the voltage into your program value. For example, first program we would like the voltage output as 2, so you click as 2 at this moment. Then click again to go into the current. In our constant voltage power supply mode, the current can be set as maximum as 2. Then OVP we can make it as the same as the previous setting when we are using constant voltage setting. If you need to send, you can choose left and right key and use rotator, or you use the number to send the value. Then come the most important is the parameter delay time. This is a unit as a second. So if you would like here to be a first program working as 50 seconds, so you just choose the parameter delay. If it's escape out, you just click menu to re-enter. You send as 50, enter. Then your first program will working for 50 seconds. At this moment, you finish the setting. But after you finish the setting, you still do another. Is you need to store the program as the first program. So you click store key, and at this moment you click it as first program, enter. So this program will saved as your first program. After you finish the first program setting, you go into your second program setting. Then still click until the most important parameter is the voltage. For example, our second will go into 5, enter. Then go into another, still making the same, going here. We will send it as 100, for example. Then you can enter. So your second program will run in 100 seconds. Then you finish the setting. After the one was confirmed, you can let it to be escape out. Then you click store again. Then you save this one as 02, the second program. Then enter. And then going to another is going to send the third program. For example, we're still going to send our wattage as 9. Enter. Then going to use the menu key to confirm the current, confirm the OVP, confirm the OCP coming to the time. For example, we will send as 60 seconds. Confirm, confirm again, confirm. Then we wait it to be coming out to the display page. Then click store to define it as a third program. Confirm your setting. This moment you need to let the program to be output in a predict mode. So you click timer. Then set the one during auto status as off. You set auto start from the first step, you select as 1. Auto end at the third. Set the auto cycling time. If you would like the program to be repeated 3 times, you set 3. If you would like the program not repeat, you just set as 1. Enter. Then go into auto mode. You can either choose in continue or choose in step. If continue, when you click on, it will continue doing the cycle. If step, you click one on and off, you finish one of the program. Then go in another, finish. At this moment, you can go into timer, then you can choose this one as on. At this moment, the system was going to run as a program, and the time was displayed here. Then you confirm the setting. After finish the program setting, click on, and the system will start to working based on your program. Like you send the first with 2 and continue with then finish the first program, continue run the second program, time start to counting. Then go into the third program after the second program finish. After finish, if you have send cycling, you will repeat the cycling, and after finish, it will continue maintaining as the last value or turn off the power supply. It dependent on your setting. So this is all about the program output. In our case, we are repeat as cycling, so it's doing cycling. If you didn't do cycling, we'll stop. Then after finish, we can turn off the button. Then we turn off the time setting by rotating the button. Then click end. At this moment, you wait the system to be returned back to the monitor. Then turn off the power supply. That's all for the DC power supply.